The iLASIK Technology Suite, the exclusive combination of Intralace and advanced custom view technologies, delivers truly customized treatments that help you take more of your patients beyond 20/20 vision. An iLASIK procedure begins with a wavefront analysis of your patient's eyes. The WaveScan wavefront system shines a light into the patient's eye. This light is then reflected back from the retina to the WaveScan system, where it is captured and analyzed using proven Hartmann-Shack technology and Fourier analysis. The result of this analysis is a customized wavefront-guided treatment based on the total ocular aberrations identified in your patient's eye. All of this wavefront information is quickly and easily captured at the push of a button. The second step is the creation of the corneal flap with the Intralace FS or IFS femtosecond laser. The laser fires thousands of focused laser pulses at a precise depth in an organized, efficient raster pattern to create a resection plane. Pulses are also stacked vertically or at an angle of up to 150 degrees to create the flap edge. After the flap is cut, the physician then manually lifts the flap to expose a smooth, lamellar bed for treatment. Flaps are created in less than 18 seconds. In the third step, the patient's wavefront-guided treatment profile is aligned under the laser using iris registration. Often pupils constrict asymmetrically while under the laser, resulting in a pupil centroid shift. Further, the eye can cyclorotate, rotation around the z-axis, when the patient moves from a sitting position to a supine position. By engaging iris registration before treatment, these phenomena can both be overcome. The STAR S4IR excimer laser uses variable spot scanning technology to efficiently and coolly remove corneal tissue to accurately correct all lower and higher order aberrations. With the laser ablation complete, the LASIK flap is replaced on the cornea, completing the iLASIK procedure. Today, with the iLASIK procedure, physicians are experiencing a significant difference in the quality and consistency of their refractive surgery outcomes.